Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Explorer. Stock number is A7739. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors. Those are going to keep you very safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. Alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with hand-cooked tires. Inside, leather interior. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.